動確保胸骨圧迫123
にゃ、ありがとう。
にゃ123
Hello guys, welcome to my channel and today I'm here to talk about episode number 11 of Tokyo Revengers. And it seems like mission saving Draken was a success. And it was just great to see. At one point they actually scared me when Draken's just pulse dropped. I was like, okay, and this is Tokyo Revengers, he could possibly die, so that thing scared me a bit, but he survived, so I'm really glad that he did. As I've always said, like, Draken is my favorite character so far, so I'm glad that he's alive. And also, like, it was really funny seeing Takemichi just trying to act cool and all, and yeah, it was just really funny seeing him the way, like, to act the way he was. And yeah, let's just talk about it. So they thought that it were the cops, but in actuality it was ambulance and not the cops. So yeah, they kind of got baited and they ran away. And there was one scene where it was Takemichi's, like, one of Takemichi's friend, and I don't know, maybe I just wasn't paying attention or anything. It just seemed like I just saw Mikey there, but it wasn't Mikey, it was just his friend with the blonde hair. I don't know, I haven't even, like, gone and checked back, but in one scene it definitely seemed like it was, like, Mikey there, but that wasn't the case. And I just want to mention that I just found it weird a bit that I thought that was Mikey. And yeah, they survived. And also Takemichi's time now had come to go back to the present. And it's always, like, really awkward when he goes to this Naoto to shake his hand. Is like he doesn't know what is going on, and this, like, the Takemichi that is gonna be there now, like, this Takemichi goes to the future, right, to the present, I mean, and the past Takemichi takes over. So now he doesn't know why he's shaking hands with Naoto, and it would be so much fun to see those interactions too, but we don't see them. But it would be just really weird for him, for the, like, past Takemichi to just be, like, shaking hands with Naoto, and yeah, all of it would be really weird for him. And yeah, glad that Draken's alive. And before that, the Mikey was talking with Takemichi, and he was like, okay, I don't know why Hanma wanted to cause an infight. Yeah, we still don't know why he wanted to cause an infight and wanted to kill Draken. And one more question Mikey had was, Takemichi, how did you know that there was going to be an infight between them? And how did you know that they were going to target Draken? And then they quickly changed the subject. And yeah, I was curious if Takemichi would tell him or not. And I don't know if I think so he can tell other people, right, that he can go back to, like, from the, like, future and past, he can travel back in time. I don't know if he can tell other people or not. At least Naoto knows, so maybe he can just only tell to the people who have that power. But I don't think so. This is like a Subaru case where he cannot literally tell anyone, because the witch just grabs his balls and crushes him whenever he tries to tell someone that he can return by death. So yeah, I don't think so it's that. I think so Takemichi can tell Mikey, and if Mikey wouldn't have just changed the topic, I think so Takemichi would have told him that that's how it is. Even though, like, if Mikey would have believed him or not, that's a different case, but I think so he would have definitely told him. And at first, when Takemichi went back to the present, he was not sure what exactly was happening. I was scared that maybe he, like, started back where like where the series started. I thought that maybe he just went back to the starting point. I was scared, but that wasn't the case. We see the scar on his hand and he remembers, okay, I definitely did go to the past. It was not all a dream or anything. And then he sees there was no news of Hina's death. And then he had schedule for a hairdresser, and of course it was Akun. And this time, like, this is the glow up that Akun deserved. And yeah, he finally looks like a stable person. And yeah, he's pursuing his dream about becoming a hairdresser. And they also reminisce about, like, their older moment where he was like, Takemichi was like, okay, I'm gonna be your first customer. So yeah, it was just great seeing Takemichi and Akun alive together. And yeah, Naoto called him. Naoto's like, okay, Takemichi, looks like you succeeded. You just came back to the present, and yeah, let's go and meet our sister. Okay, not our sister. Okay, let's go and meet Naoto's sister, because yeah, our would be a bit weird. No, not our sister, Naoto's sister. So yeah, looks like they will be going to meet Hina, and yeah, it would be. I'm curious to see how everything turned out. Like Takemichi is still working at his job. We still don't know what happened to Draken, what happened to Mikey, what happened to Kisaki, and we don't even know what happened to rest of his friends. And we don't know like if Hina and Takemichi are still in a relationship or not. Like there's a lot of things that would have changed after this, and yeah, I'm just curious to see where the series goes now, because for now it seems like every conflict has been resolved, and I'm just curious to see what the new conflict could be. Maybe the new conflict now happens in the present time and he doesn't have to go back to the past, but since there is a big power like where he can go back to the past and change things, so I don't think they're gonna just completely remove it. So yeah, it could go either way, but maybe something happens in the present, and because of that again they have to go into the past and change the things again. So yeah, regardless, good episode. Looking forward to. I think so. There is one more episode, right? I think so. There are 12 episodes and not 11. I really don't know the number of episodes there are, but whatever it is, I'm looking forward to them. And that was it for this episode. Let me know what did you guys feel about it in the comments below. I will be here for next episode next week. So till then, have a great time. I'll meet you in the next one.